Hi guys, create a beautiful outdoor space with long pots can elevate the aesthetic of your home and create a welcome atmosphere. Here are comprehensive guests, cover everything you need to know about choose arranging and main interest flower pots for outdoor use. This gas well covered create idea and for rotate those pots are various outdoor set. Choose the right long pots material masking. This the material you choose for your long flower pots will greater impact. Their durable weight and visually appear. Here are some popular setup: fiberglass and those material and lightweight, weather resisting and come in various design. They are easy to remove and withstand different weather consist make an idea for fiber building or rooftop gardening. Metal pot, those make for stainless steel and contrast steel and a salt comprehensive feel. Agent stick forgive resisting if you live in the homing area. Terracotta pots often a rustic look and are idea for decent landscape there posing which help with the range but mean outdoor fast size and shape for long pots. The right size your plants have ancient room to give, then choose post. Consider the follow wide post great for plants with slow root like digesting pots idea with deep root such as tree and tall scent. Consider consider the space then or place the pots or make then to the surrounding long pots can be an even long size if you have make need to remove then request. Good drainage is comfort for plants health. More long pots can with growing holding but if not you can dipping a few yourself add along or pushing if the button can also help impact add size root road best plants other for long outdoor flower pot. Choose the right pot. Can you your pots can create a sticky around outdoor display. Here are some plants idea by propose statement plants. There are both active plants that work well in long space with patio or drive away. Bird of paradise with if X blend and long level these plants add a tropical touch. Olex tree. Those every gardening tree are dipping, digesting and are add macroing bake for guest planting. Plants provide textile and color those out with year and grow well with flower pots. Now for those long lush level host can be various shape or gardening black gold box wood. Their sub can be shaped into tropical for a format look or lost material. Natural fall, a stop, a pair, framing are idea for shade spotting to add touch with their beauty. Seasoning balm. Seasoning flower add color and to your outdoor area and can be changed throughout with year. Alleging plant. Long pots are also are growing vegetable and host lemon and lisping tree in pots are bring in place area. Tomating. Long pot provide of are far together. Pots are growing often fresh product. Create arrangement idea. Statement grouping. Create a growing or long flower pots with vary height and shape to make an ice catch arrangement. Mix tall pots with short round one to add depend on interior post those your even wall to create the growing entrance. Various layout arrangement pose in the layout format on Ashokas or an outdoor wall to add various height to your gardening. Use pot of different size with the long pots place or the button and smart one on top are plants such as image or for a lush various gardening effect design. For a most format look, place idea long pots one even side of a door patio and drive away. You can fill those pots with a same plants or contemporary pots again to a balance appear. Posted and rustic plants. Use posted and rustic plant to bring most height and determinant to your arrangement. Rustic post work well for plants with yuccas, create a tropical effect. Color theme and convenience. Seasoning color change. Change the plants in your pots seasoning for a determined look. Switch moment bring paste while screen cool in growing blend Various color like yellow and pink can be introducing with charming and every group provide a touch of growing dung water. Contemporary color use the color wheel to choose contemporary color that yard harmony with even other, for example black, blue pots with original flower and yellow pots with purple blend create a various pair look. Main entrance type for long outdoor pots plant water. Long pots remained build and smart one purse resisting water in Smith. Use the field test to choose if you salt in about is inch wide and surface if time for water are drying. Seasoning can be a great source for pots, water, multi-level pots, hard hand, resisting overgrowing branch and hard at field flower to keep your pots look trim. This also encourage new blend and health growing. Enhance the outdoor space with lights. Add light around your long pots can create a magic effect and exact to durable for your outdoor space into even. Here are some light idea. Solar light. Place smart solar lights area that base of your porch to illuminate then soft as night. Sticky lights. Warm light around the porch or deep theme about your porch to create a cozy atmosphere. Lights latching need your porch to add invitation warm